How to crop a photo on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to crop a photo on Android, it's a very simple process. You directly have to just go to the gallery of the device over here. And as you tap on gallery, you'll be able to see the photos that you have. Now just select on the photo that you want to crop. So as I've selected the picture over here, all I have to do is tap on the photo, and here you can see the edit option over here at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and as you tap on that edit option, here you can see the option of crop. So tap on crop and you can select the custom as you want. So you can select whichever way you would want, from full screen, from this aspect ratio as this. So you can just select whichever mode is more efficient for you. I'm going to go for custom, and as I tap on custom, I can just crop it according to my requirement, and then tap on tick and tap on save. And after you tap on save, it will be saved on your device as a new file. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.